When we hear the name Mansa Musa, one word echoes louder than the rest: wealth. As the ruler of the Mali Empire in the 14th century, Musa's fortune was so vast it distorted economies and dazzled chroniclers. But beneath the gold and grandeur lies a more complicated story, one that history often chooses to forget. Let's talk about the bad deeds, or at least the less glamorous truths, of Mansa Musa. In 1324, Mansa Musa embarked on his famous pilgrimage to Mecca. With him traveled 60,000 men and hundreds of camels laden with gold. In Cairo, Musa gave away so much gold that he caused massive inflation. Prices skyrocketed. The value of gold plummeted. It took over a decade for Egypt's economy to recover. Now, some say he was just being generous, but others see it differently. Musa's actions, however unintentional, destabilized local economies. His wealth made headlines, but at what cost to the people he visited? Then there's the question of how this wealth was acquired. Musa controlled massive gold mines and the trans-Saharan trade routes. That included the trade of salt and of enslaved people. Slavery was a central part of the Mali economy. Enslaved Africans were exported across the Islamic world. Musa's empire not only participated, it profited from this trade. His caravans were guarded and served by enslaved workers. His pilgrimage, that legendary journey, was in part fueled by forced labor. And what of his rule? While many sources praise Musa for building mosques and schools, power was absolute. Dissent was not welcome. As with most empires, the glittering court masked the reality of centralized control and suppression of rival factions. None of this is to deny Musa's brilliance or his influence on West African culture, architecture, and Islamic scholarship. But history isn't just gold and glory. It's also about asking difficult questions. What does it mean to be powerful? And what is the cost of greatness? Mansa Musa remains one of history's most fascinating figures, but remember, every empire casts a shadow.